Where's Michael?
I don't know, he's just with me.
There's no use in fighting us now.
Don't you want your man back?
Quiet, Lecter. Aha!
Where's Michael?
Easy. He's safe. For now. What do you do to him?
She means we'll let him go if you give us something in return.
They get it, Lecter. What do you want? I want the briefcase.
It's a suicide mission, and you know it.
It's the briefcase or Michael's life. You have 15 minutes. You know where to find me.
It's impossible.
We have to try for Michael.
Okay. For Michael.
Hello? Yeah, your kids are fine. I'm looking at them right now. Being perfect angels. Trust me, I'm an excellent babysitter. I know exactly what they're doing at all times.
Oh! Man, you guys are so dramatic. A kidnapping, really? That's all you could think of? I could be eating Big Mac or Dairy Queen right now, but you took that opportunity from me. How long did this take you to plan, huh? 1 second. You know, do my little stretch, you know? Little stretchy there.
No, you know the rules. Sit down.
Stretch. Been on the chair for a while. Back to it. How long did this take you to plan?
Well, it took a few.
Shut up, Lecter.
You don't have to be so mean.
Well, you don't have to be so bad at being smart.
Do you put as much thought into that as kidnapping Michael?
Lecter, noise.
Not so fast.
What do you want?
I want the briefcase. I'm tired of getting pushed around by Vito. I want my revenge.
Well, too bad. We're getting our friend back.
Wrong answer.
Guns down. Where's Lecter?
He's dead.
Finally, got him to shut up. Anyway, put the briefcase on the ground and kick it to me. No fair.
Shh, you're dead.
Yeah, right.
We got it. No. What?
Not so fast.
Jolene, how could you?
It was easy, really. Now hand over the briefcase.
What are you doing?
Sure, just one thing. You forgot something. Rest in foam.